Hi and welcome back to our series learning the ArcGIS JavaScript API. In last video we have seen about how to interact with views. In today video we will see about how to add widgets and UI components to the view. Basically, widget refers to a user interface component that is easily integrate into your web mapping applications to provide specific functionality or tools. We don't need to build any tools from scratch. So already the tools are built by Esri. We can take that tools and we can add to our views and we can use in our web mapping applications. If you want to build any applications or if you want to build any custom widget, you can create with your you can create a separate HTML elements, then you can add it to the widget. um, Basically we will add the widgets to the view. For adding the widgets and the HTML component, we are using the method view.ui.add. Using this method we can add the different type of widgets to our web mapping applications. Let's move to the code. So this is our web mapping applications. So this is the interacting coordinate values we have created in the last video. So whenever you click the map, it will give the latitude and longitude information. So now we are going to add some uh, widgets to these web mapping applications. So here default tools are provided zoom in, zoom out. Now we will add legend or legend. We can add layer list. We can add those widgets. We can add to our application. So here for adding the widget, first we have to load the models. Whatever widgets we want to add, we will load from ArcGIS JavaScript API. So go to the API reference. Sorry. So I'm going to add a bookmarks widget, or I will add a layer list, legend and layer list. Okay, we will add these two widgets. So first I'm going to add legend. So adding the legend widget, first we have to load the models. So first we have to create the legend widget. Legend widget. And you can set the property. Okay, which viewer widget needs to show, you can add. Then you can call the method view dot ui dot add. You can give the widget here, and which position you want to add you need to specify, top right or top left, like that. So I'm going to add bottom left, bottom and left. So now we'll check the UI. See, the legend widget is automatically added, and whatever layers available in that uh, web map, that legends are showing here. Okay, like that you can add the widgets to the web app applications, web map applications. Now we will add one more widget. So these many widgets are available. If you want to check the widgets, you can just explore here. Okay, area measurement 2D, base map widgets, compass, and the coordinate conversion editor. Okay, there are so many widgets are available. You can just whatever widgets you want to use in your web map application, you just select and you can add. So you just see here they will provide the example. So I'm just copying and paste that widget will be added to our web application. So this is not loaded, so we have to load the library first. Whenever you are adding any models, first you need to load the models, then only it will be update in your view. So now check top left I provided. Going to check in your application. Yeah, now it is added. Okay, this is the layer list widgets. Whatever layers are available, it is showing here. So we can uh, like hide the layers. These are these widgets are built by uh, Esri. If you want to build any custom widget, you have to write your own code. Okay, so now I'm going to create one widget. Okay, layer list. Okay, I'm going to create layer list widget with drop down. When you are creating custom widget, you need to define the class as every widget. So if you use this class, then um, uh, that view.ui.add method will work. Okay, so just In this, I'm just going to build one drop down that will show the layer list. Okay, whatever layer is there, that elements it will show on the map. Sorry, that layer names will be visible on the map, visible on the drop down. Okay, so I'm just giving label layer list. Then I'm going to give select element layer. We can give the option. Okay, I will give the first option. Yes, select the layer. We will give a ID to this element, layer list. We can give layer list. Okay. So now we have the HTML element we have created. Now we will write code to uh, select a layer name. Okay. So here, how can we select a layer name? For that, we have to check web map properties. We have the layers in web map, so we will go to the web map property. Okay. We can check the properties. Okay. In that, we have the layers, a collection of operational layers. So this property will hold all the layer informations. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to um, I'm going to get the property from the web map. Okay. So I will select here, selecting the layer web map dot layers map, going to layer. Okay. In that layer, I'm going to log console dot log layer dot title. This layer dot title will have the layer name. Okay. So now we will check console whether we are getting the layer name or not. We go to console. 54 we are getting some error. Okay, okay. So just comment this. We'll check. We are not getting the layer names. So I'm going to write when bitmap was loaded. Okay. Let's check. So the layer name was India Demographics 2023. But how can I access that inside layers? We will try with different web map that will be easy to identify the layer names. We'll go to web map code. We'll go to API reference web map. We'll use this ID. Let's check what web map it is showing. Yeah. See, now we got the. I have used different web map, so we have get the layer name differently. Parks and open space, trails for bike like that. I think this location center was changed. Uh, we will set the center. then we can able to see the uh, these layers. So here, so okay. Here we have the uh, we have our layers are in this location. So now we got the layer names. This layer name we are going to update on our select element. Okay. So for that, I'm going to create element. So is equal to document dot create. Okay. Now I'm going to select the elements by document dot get element by method dot get element by id. We have given layer name. Okay. Now I'm going to append. I'm going to append the option. Okay. Now let's see if we get any result on the UI. See, it is successfully updated our layer name here, but it is not placed properly. So I'm going to place in proper location. For that, I'm going to use, first we have to uh, select the element layer list. Okay. document dot get element by id layer list. Okay. Now we can add this element to a we can now we can add this element to our web application. View dot ui dot add layer list top right corner. I'm going to add this custom widget. Okay, let's go to our web application. It's not added. Top right. Sorry, something confused. Now we can check. Still, it is not added. Cannot access layer list before initialization. Okay. Let me check this error. I'm just checking the error, how to resolve this error. I'm going to change the ID where list drop. Drop, drop down. Okay. Right, it's not updating.
I have find out the mistake what I did. Actually, I forgot to give the quotes here, so that's why it is not added to the top right view of the web mapping applications. Now I given the quotes. So now let me check. So now the layer list updated on the top with the layer names in the drop down. This is how you can create custom widgets in ArcGIS JavaScript API and add it to the web maps. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to add a Esri widget as well as custom widget. Please subscribe to the Geospatial Explorer for more videos on ArcGIS JavaScript API. Thank you.